Hello! In this tutorial, I will show you how to import a template in Notion. To import a template in Notion, these are the steps you need to take. Easy peasy. First off, sign into Notion. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type in notion.so and follow the necessary instructions and steps to sign in. After signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Notion. Now, for you to import a template, here's the first step to take. Navigate to your Notion workspace, which we have in here. Now, in the left side panel or the sidebar, go ahead and click on template. If you do not see the template section, you can go ahead and click on the new page button and click on create a new page, and from there go ahead and choose a template from the page options. All right, but then from this side panel, of course, I can find my templates in here. Now go ahead and click on template. The next thing to do is to browse or search for the template that suits your fancy. In the templates gallery, you can browse through various templates or use the search bar to find a specific template you want to import. Right here, I'm waiting for my template to be visible. So we're just gonna wait for that. So here we go. Now use the search bar to browse any, or you can just use an existing template from here. So let's say this is wishlist item and installment. Now click on the template you want to use. This will open a preview of the templates. Now this one, I have to buy this. I don't want to buy. So I'm going back to my template gallery again and ensure I choose the one that I don't have to buy. So this is free, habit tracker. So I'm going to click on that. Of course, you have the label there. If you have to pay for it, you see the price. If it's free, you see free. And this opening up. The next thing to do is to select View Template from here. So once you click on View Template button, it's going to import it into your workspace. Now here is it. So here is it. Now the next thing you have to do is to click on Grab it. Then click on I want this. Okay, so we have just head over here to click on Get Bar. We need to add a tip or just some kind of amount, but we're not doing this. We are not checking in. So we're just going to go for something that is absolutely free. Heading over to Happy Checker again. That's from where we started, and going back to template gallery. Looking for something that is absolutely free. Check this one and view template. So if it is absolutely free, you don't have to go through diverse steps to actually add some amount of money. Once you click on the template, the desired template of your choice is just going to be imported into your workspace. And once it has been imported into your workspace, you can customize it to fit your needs by editing the content or the structure. So that's pretty much how to use templates, and that's how to import templates into your Notion space. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.